This is going to be moving towards the northeast, so it is going to be on its way in. I want to say around 10 o'clock this morning, perhaps closer to 9 o'clock, and the projected rainfall is up there in spots. Now, a lot of the models suggesting that we'll see around ½ an inch of rain for the east coast. More than that as you head westward. This model saying almost an inch of rain in Worcester between 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. today. Where these heavier bands of rain set up, we are going to see accumulating water on the roadways, which is also going to slow you down. So it's just going to be a problem travel day, I think, either way. If you've got to go somewhere, some traveling, either do it now, do it early morning, or maybe even wait until later on, like 5 o'clock or later. That's when we'll see some of those improvements. But you can see that we've got a lot of rain to get through, stretching all the way back through New York into Pennsylvania. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Today's high with wind and rain. Tonight it tapers just into flurries and sprinkles that remain through your Saturday forecast. Sunday, brighter but breezy, cool with high 40s. A beautifully bright Monday. Everything's connected. Yes, it doesn't feel like winter, though. It's not like snow's in the forecast. In fact, we've got rain in the forecast for today. Officially winter at 6:12 this morning. So here's a look at what's happening now. We've got temperatures above freezing. Great, because overnight in central Mass and southern New Hampshire, temperatures were actually close to or just below, and we had a little bit of snow accumulate. Now at 38 in Worcester, 41 in Nashua, 43 for you in Boston. Good morning. And 44 in Plymouth. We've got mid-40s along the Cape and the Islands, and we've got the winds just roaring in today. Wind speeds right now 28 miles per hour in Boston, 30 miles per hour in Nantucket, even Plymouth at 18 miles per hour. It's going to be breezy. It's going to get stronger here around midday. That's also when we're going to see the heaviest of the rain. Currently, the rain really in western Mass. That's where we're going to have to head from Hartford all the way up to Springfield, all the way up to Greenfield and southern Vermont is where the heaviest rain is setting up. But it's moving in our direction, which means midday is when we're going to see the heaviest rain here with temperatures in the upper 40s in many spots, 43 this afternoon as the showers gradually taper off in time for that morning drive home to start your weekend. We'll take a closer look in a little while. Gene, over to you.
Shiri, thank you. Want to update?
The sun has come up. Yes, it's 7:46 right now, but it's so dark outside. Everyone's got their headlights on. You're going to be using your windshield wipers for a large portion of the day. Plus, that breeze is absolutely going to grab your attention. So a high wind warning has been issued for the Cape and the Islands. We've got a wind advisory elsewhere where you can see the shades of light brown on your screen. Basically stated winds ranging from 20 to 35 miles per hour sustained here towards the southwest and progress towards the northeast. So along the Rhode Island border, we could see those strength winds starting around 9 o'clock this morning. So it's going to be wet. It's going to be windy. We're talking a lot of wind and a lot of rain as well, with potentially up to an inch of rain locally, not widespread. But winds gusting now in Boston, 37 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour in P-Town, 38 miles per hour in Nantucket, close to that in the Vineyard, even 20 miles per hour now in Worcester. So the strengthening gusts are going to slow you down if you've got any errands to run. At least we do not have frigid temperatures this morning. In fact, it's a little bit balmy outside with 45 in Taunton, 44 in Plymouth, 46 in Nantucket right now. We've also got 41 in Foxborough, 43 in Boston, but then some cooler temperatures as you head towards the west into southern New Hampshire, where we still have some 30s on the map. In fact, New Ipswich at 34 degrees, one of the locations that did start with a little bit of snow overnight and got some minor accumulation. Here comes the rain, though. You can see that it's fairly light over eastern Mass into southern New Hampshire, but it's picking up in its intensity now towards western Mass and especially into Connecticut. This stuff is going to move towards us within the next 2 hours. We're going to have a very different picture outside. So towards 11 a.m. is when we've got the stronger showers, the stronger winds in place. That will keep going until about 3 o'clock. But good news is 5 p.m. on your screen here, and we're going to start to get breaks in the action with lighter showers for the evening drive home. Hey, by the way, welcome to winter. Winter solstice, 6:12 this morning. Sorry, no snow in the forecast, but we do have a whole lot of rain. In fact, it might even up to an inch in spots when all is said and done today. Temperatures now above freezing. 42 Nashua, New Hampshire. in Boston, 45 in Plymouth. Taking it west here to Worcester, still at 39 degrees. Central Mass, southern New Hampshire, where we saw a couple snowflakes this morning. It's all switching over to rain, though. And with the rain comes the wind. Look at some of these wind speeds right now. Boston, 25 miles per hour. Plymouth, 24. 29 Nantucket right now, 13 in Worcester. You can't go out the door anywhere and not notice this wind. It is going to strengthen. Winds today ranging 20 to 40 miles per hour. Right in the middle of the day, and we could see gusts 50 to 55. Those are tropical storm force winds, at least the gusts are. So please be on edge today. They can do damage. They can cause some scattered power outages. 47 are high, and we're going to see those waves of heavy rain right in quite shortly, actually. We've got some heavy rain now moving into sections of southeastern Massachusetts down towards New Bedford, Fall River, up to Berkeley, over to Providence, Rhode Island as well. And then check out Western Mass right now, Springfield to Palmer. We've got some heavy downpours in place. You know, when I see this developing on radar, get a little concerned about some strong, gusty, damaging winds that can come with some of those heavy downpours. So we're going to have to watch that batch of rain very closely as it moves off towards the northeast. Projected rain totals today. I mentioned some spots are going to see quite a hefty amount. This goes from 5 o'clock this morning to 5 o'clock this evening. Notice that Worcester in this model picking up just shy of an inch of rain, and we're getting close to, I'd say, anywhere between ½ an inch and 3/4 of an inch of rain along the east coast. So there will be ponding of water on the local roadways here. You're traveling today, you got to be ready for the wind. You got to be ready for those huge puddles in the roads. Today at noon, you can see we've got some of those heavier bands whipping through eastern Mass as well. Towards that drive home from work for so many people at 5 o'clock, actually seeing more and more of these dry breaks. So the timing of this a bit convenient for our morning and our evening commuters, but it is going to be messy for anyone running errands. And then into tomorrow, notice that we have some flurries around. It won't amount to very much. We'll just see a flurry or a sprinkle